very professional,
has a great sense of humor,
he's dedicated,
and he's very flexible.
we're all more just like family here, and he makes it very easy to come to work.
I have the best boss because she is benevolent, always doing more. She is empathetic. She's the first to tell us to take time off work if we need it. She is selfless, and she is a teammate. She has a very teammate attitude towards her staff.
She is kind, considerate, and caring toward everyone. She insists that employees put their families first. She is always looking to improve her practice, and this includes finding training opportunities for her employees.
She is B, beautiful. E, easygoing. S, soft-hearted. T, thoughtful.
From celebrating a cancer victory to grieving the loss of a loved one and everything in between. You can always count on her to be there for you, without a doubt, every time.
He really worries about the patient more than the bottom dollar. It's about making sure that the patients are taken care of. He really has made it so he's become family to all of us that have been fortunate enough to work for him.
So that is why I have the best boss. She truly is amazing.
I really hope that he wins because he really deserves it.
That's why my boss is the best boss.
And those are a few things that make her the best boss ever.
Dr. Barden deserves to be recognized as the best boss because she is the best.
Dr. Kasanoff deserves to be nominated as the best boss
Ever.
Thank you.